Hey quiz lovers, welcome again on Kiran Edits. Today I have edited 30 questions that are designed to trick your brain. They sound fake, but every single one is 100% true. Do you think you can guess them all correctly and score 30 out of 30? So do press the subscribe button and let's see how smart you are. Let's go. Okay, now let's start with this round. Which animal can breathe through its butt? Option A, B or C? Choose wisely. Great! Option B is correct answer. Believe it or not, they do this to save their energies and live underwater for a long time. Here's the second round begin. What color is a polar bear's skin? White, pink or black? Can you guess it before the time's up? Black is correct answer. Wait. They are not white. Their skin actually black to stay warm. Next round begin. Which bird can fly backward? Eagle, parrot or hummingbird? Option C is correct. This is a very interesting fact that these birds are like teeny helicopters and fly backwards. Great! It's time for a bonus round. Do you tell me that do sharks have bones? Yes or no? Option no is correct. Let's tell me in the comment that which option you choose. Here's the fourth round. What is the only animal that can jump? Elephant, rhino or hippo? Elephant. It's true. They are just too heavy to get all 4 feet off the ground at the same time. Next round it is which fruit is a berry? Choose wisely. Strawberry, banana or cherry? Banana is correct answer. This is crazy. Strawberries are not berries, but bananas actually are. Okay, here's the next round. How many brains does an octopus have? Let's choose it wisely and drop your score in the comment. Yes, 9 is a correct answer. Do you guess it correctly? Tell me in the comments, guys. Round 7. What is a group of cross guard? A pack, B, a murderer, C, a crowd. A murderer? Of course, it sounds very scary, but it's just a very old name of a group of them. Which animal has the strongest bite? It seems easy. Let's see you can guess it or not. Hippo is correct answer. Don't get close. Their bite is stronger than lion. They can snap a body in just half. Let's count it fastly. How many times a lion appear on the screen? Hands up. Let's drop your answer in the comment below. Round 8. Who is the tallest person ever? Option A, B or C? Choose wisely. Option B is correct answer. Yes, he was almost 9 feet tall and he was taller than most doorways. It's the next amazing round. What was the first food eaten in the space? Applesauce, pizza or chocolate? Great! Applesauce is the first food. It came in a tube like toothpaste. It probably did not taste very good. Next round. What was the first toy patented in the US? Barbie, Yo-Yo or Slinky? Choose it wisely. Amazing knowledge you have, guys. Slinky is a correct answer. Did you guess it correctly or not? Let's tell me in comments. Okay, what was used as toilet paper long ago? Leaves, sheep wool or paper? Sheep wool. Ouch! Before paper, people used wool or even corn cobs. Oh my god. Okay, here's an easy question. How long was the shortest war? 38 minutes, 2 hours or 1 day? Great! Option A is a correct answer. Wait, this was just only 38 minutes was long. Bonus round comes here. Can you find the out soldier out? Yes, here is it. Round 13. Which president was a bartender? Washington, Lincoln or Obama? Great, option B is correct. He was a bartender. He owned a shop and sold drinks before he became president. Next round, what was ketchup sold as in 1830? Option A, B or C. Choose wisely. Great! Option B is correct answer. Hope you guessed it correctly too guys and drop your score in the comments below. Here's the next craziest round. What did Romans use as mouthwash? Salt water, wine or urine? Urine? Gross. Romans thought it made their teeth white. I think I will stay with toothpaste. And what about you guys? Which letter is not in the periodic table? Let's see your knowledge about periodic table. Yes, it's letter J. Check the chart. Every letter is there except of J. It is the only one left out of the party. Which country has a silence day? Japan, Indonesia or India? Indonesia is correct. In Bali, no one talks for a whole day. No TV, no lights, just quiet. Could you do it, guys? Bonus round, guess it in just 3 seconds. Which country shared its name with this animal? Time's up. It was Turkey, guys. Round 18. What does M and M stand for? Mars and Murray, milk and meat, more and more. Yes, it's Mars and Murray. Do you know, guys, they were the two guys who started the company long ago. Okay, what is the save icon on a PC? A TV, a box, a floppy disk? Choose wisely. Yes, it's floppy disk. Most kids today have no idea what that drive actually is. It's very old technology. Round 20, most expensive liquid. A gold, scorpion venom or eye? Yes, it's scorpion venom. It's really expensive, guys. 1 gallon costs $39 million. But don't try to get it yourself. Which country has the most islands? Sweden, USA or Greece? Great! Sweden is a correct answer. Hope you guessed it correctly and how much you guessed it correctly tell your score in the comments below. Here's the next bonus round. Guess the real flag of China. Yes, option is correct answer. Round 22. Unluckiest number in Japan? 13, 4 or 7? Yes, 4 is a correct answer. In Japan, the word 4 sounds like death, so they try to avoid it. Okay, next round. First video game in space. Option A, B or C? Great! Option B is correct answer. The Tetris was the first game in the space. Do you know about it, guys? Here's the next tricky question. Can you sneeze in your sleep? Yes? No? Only if you seek. No is the correct answer. You can't sneeze while you sleep because your brain turned off that feeling, guys. Here's the next round. Which metal can be cut with a knife? Can you guess it, guys? Yes, it's sodium metal. You can cut with a knife. It as soft as cold butter. Just don't put it in water. Round 26. Which food never goes bad? Rice, honey or beans? It's a very easy question, guys. You got it! Honey is the correct answer. Hope you guessed it correctly because the honey is the only food that never goes bad. Here's the next amazing bonus round. Find the odd honey out. Did you find it, guys? Tell me in comments. Round 27. First cartoon on the Walk of Fame. Tom and Jerry, Popeye the Sailor or the Mickey Mouse? Great! It was Mickey Mouse. Mickey was the first cartoon to get a star on the Walk of Fame. He's such a legend. Next round it is, which part of the body has no blood? Option A, hair, cornea or finger? Excellent! Cornea is the correct answer. It's the only part of you with no blood. It gets its oxygen directly from the air. Next round. Common toilet paper color in France. Pink, white or blue? Pink is the correct answer. Really? For some reason, people in France love pink toilet paper.